This video tutorial will provide the understanding of how to add and print a bank application within the AccuTax software. Open the return for which the bank application will be printed. Navigate to the 8879 form in the attached form screen. Once the 8879 form is open, the cursor will be highlighted on the refund type field. Enter 5 to indicate that the taxpayer chooses to utilize a bank or refund settlement product. This will populate the electronic bank application in the attached form screen. Open the bank application by double-clicking on Bank App under Federal in the attached forms list. Different banks have different guidelines and bank applications concerning their bank products. It will be necessary to refer to the banking guidelines sent to you concerning your own bank for more details on how to process a bank application. Enter all of the necessary data on the screen. Banks will not process partially completed bank applications. The top of the bank application will display the taxpayer and spouse information, included but not limited to the name, date of birth, filing status, refund amount, and address. You must select the box stating the taxpayer has reviewed and signed all bank documents. Enter the taxpayer's identifying information and answer the series of questions before moving on. Check the box confirming that you, the preparer, have reviewed the taxpayer's government-issued unexpired driver's license or ID. The account information section displays the disbursement type. Select the exact method of disbursement, such as check, direct deposit, or debit card. If direct deposit, enter the taxpayer's bank routing and account number and account type. The Truth in Lending Disclosure section displays the expected refund amount, the preparation fees, and the amount after advance. To print the bank application, click Print from the software menu bar and select Print Bank Documents to open the print window. Select the correct printer if there is not a default printer selected and click Print. You also have the option to save the bank application as a PDF or email it to the taxpayer. In accordance with the IRS, AccuTax Software Solutions only accepts bank product processing through our banking partners for the current tax season. This is limited to Tax Products Group, Refund Advantage, Refundo, and Republic Bank. After watching this video, you should now understand how to add and print a bank application. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.